Hey
hello,
Cam.
Hello world.
This is my boss.
I'm one of those cool bosses and one of the relatable bosses.
And that's my boss's boss.
How's it going?
Alright guys, great talking to you. No. There's a shaved ice truck in front of the school right now. Are you happy that there's shaved ice here?
Oh, hell yeah.
Alex, are you ready? Are you happy that there's shaved ice here?
I'm so excited.
Who's happy that there's shaved ice here? I'm glad no one cares.
My man Nate, what flavor you getting, boy?
I never had this, so I'll just get whatever I think looks good.
Alright, so Nate's gonna get a whole cup of nothing.
Okay.
We got Nate filming everything.
We're taping each other, you see this?
Alright, check out Nate, he got his blog coming up. Tell
Check out
everybody about your
Mr.
blog.
Sam's.
Tell everybody about your blog, man.
You already know, they're obviously watching it.
No, man, listen. I need people to tell them where they can find your vlog online.
Oh, right, your
I'm trying to give you
people.
a shameless plug,
It's at
brother.
Nate Stevens on YouTube.
Alright, check out Nate Stevens on YouTube. It's gonna be awesome. Anybody else want to get a plug?
Subscribe
today.
Oh wait, I want to shameless plug.
Alright, put your mask up. I'm gonna get you something together.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram at
Hey man.
follow me on Instagram at Little Barber Girl, or you can follow my personal page at Meadow_Collegia. If you don't know how to spell it, it's MEADOW_CALLEJA. So just go ahead and like those. Thanks. Bye.
Hey man, no texting on the job. No, I'm just kidding. Hey.
Hey.
I don't know who you are.
I'm
Sorry.
Shayla.
Oh, okay. Hi.
I'm his girlfriend. Don't try and steal my man.
Oh, sorry. You beat me to him. So, you know there's shaved ice out there, right?
Yeah.
You don't want any? No. Oh. You lame. No, I'm just kidding.
My words of wisdom for today are: be mindful of what you do and how you speak to people, because that can be a true reflection of your inner demons and who you are initially. I think that to be successful in anything that you do, it takes a certain level of resilience. I think it takes a certain level of commitment. And unfortunately, not a lot of people are willing to make that kind of sacrifice. So hopefully at the end of the day, when you know better, you do better. You got 2 ears and 1 mouth, so you need to listen more than you speak. And just continue to stay prayed up. God is still in charge.
Don't do any of that shit he just said. Hey guys, so hope you enjoyed that video. It was a short video, I know, but don't worry. There will be longer ones. But until then, like, subscribe, share, or dislike. I don't really care. I can give a shit. All haters are welcome.
You can have